In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Microsoft Teams connector from the Atlassian Marketplace in Jira. To start, make sure you're logged into your Jira site with an account that has permission to install apps, usually a site or Jira admin. Once you're in, head to the For You section in Jira. You can get there from the main navigation. It's often visible on the left-hand side or available from the Jira home area. Give the page a moment to load fully so all the menus and options are available. From the For You page, look for the area that lets you discover or manage apps. On your screen, this will appear as a highlighted section or menu item connected to apps or the marketplace. Click on that highlighted option. This will take you closer to the marketplace where we'll find the Microsoft Teams connector. On the next screen, you'll see more navigation related to apps. Again, look for the highlighted menu or button that opens the Marketplace or App Discovery view and click that. The exact wording can slightly differ depending on your Jira version, but you're essentially aiming to open the App Discovery or Marketplace area. Once the Marketplace or Discovery page opens, you'll see a search bar where you can look for specific apps. Click into that search bar, which should be highlighted, and start typing Microsoft Teams. As you type, Jira will either suggest results automatically or wait for you to press Enter. After searching, you'll see a list of results related to Microsoft Teams. Locate the entry for the Jira Microsoft Teams connector. When you see it, click on the app name or its highlighted card to open the app's detailed page. This page will show you an overview, reviews, and other information about the connector. On the app detail page, look for an option labeled Advanced or a similar highlighted control that exposes more installation or configuration options. Click on that advanced option if it's visible. This helps ensure you're seeing the full set of installation details before proceeding. Finally, on the same app page, find the Try It Free button. This is usually prominently displayed and may be highlighted as a primary action. Click Try It Free to start the installation process for the Microsoft Teams connector on your Jira site. Follow any on-screen prompts Jira provides to confirm the installation, and that's it. You've navigated from the Jira For You area into the marketplace and started a free trial of the Microsoft Teams connector for your Jira instance.